Hey there, I'm Bruce Newman with CMIT Solutions of the Northeast Valley. This is 1 Minute Tech Tips, quick, practical ideas to help your business stay secure, productive, and stress-free when it comes to technology. So let's get to it. Slow internet isn't always your provider's fault. Sometimes the problem is your network equipment. If your router is more than 5 years old, it's probably slowing down your whole team. Newer business-grade gear can handle more devices, provide faster speeds, and keep your network secure. Think of it like trading in an old flip phone for a smartphone. Same idea, but way better performance. And that's your tech tip for today. I'm Bruce Newman with CMIT Solutions of the Northeast Valley, keeping your business running, your technology headaches away. If you've got a question or need a hand, you know where to find us.